Hi, my name is Katie and I'm the driver for the session and I'm here with.
Hey, this is Indo. I'll be the navigator for this session.
So today we are going over chapter 6, which is about the discounts. So as you can see over here, we have our discount codes. So here we have use code size 20 for 20% of your order. Use code ABCDEF for 10% of your order. And then use code FRISH5 for 5% of your order. Now, I'm going to go through the code and explain what exactly is going on. Okay. So here we have a discount controller. So this controller is responsible for handling the requests related to the discount codes. This controller also retrieves the discount codes data from the linked discount code props, which loads its value from the application configuration properties, which is the application properties. The controller passes the codes to a view template for rendering, which is our HTML over here. Now, before I go over that, let me just go over this file and we'll move over there. So, um, So here we have a constructor-based dependency injection for discount props. And then also the param discount props component that holds all the configured discount codes. Next, over here we have our get mapping. So it's going to handle the get request to the discount. Next we have the public string discount codes, model map string integer codes, discount props, get codes, model attributes, codes. So it's going to retrieve um the map of discount codes and then it's going to add it to the model so it can be displayed in the UI like the HTML file. And then the parent model is the model object used to pass data to the view. And then the return is the name of the view template to render. And then over here we have our return. So this is just going to return the view name from the HTML again. Okay, now that we're done with that, here we're moving over to our discount props. So here we just have all our imports. So basically this class is going to bind all the discount codes configuration properties from the application properties. And then here we have the configuration properties prefix taco discount and then our public class as well. So this so the map will hold the key value pairs of the discount codes and their corresponding discount percentages. Next, we have the private map string and the new hash map. So the map of discount code string to discount percentage is integer. So the Spring Boot will automatically populate this map based on configuration properties with the prefix taco discount dot codes. Now we have our discount list HTML. So here we just have the link to the main sheet. Here we have the page heading discount codes, as we can see over here. Next, we have the list item over here. So this is just going to display a list of codes and then the where is it? Over here the codes, the dollar codes over there is a map string integer that is passed from the discount controller and the time relief will just iterate over the map's entries. So this will display the discount code key and then this will just display the corresponding discount percentage. Next we have the application properties. So So here we have Spring Security username, and then we also have Spring Security user password. So the Spring Security default user credentials. This allows you to log in using basic authentication when Spring Security is enabled. Next, we have the Spring Data Source generate unique name and the Spring Data False name. So this is the data source configuration. So it's going to generate a unique name, which will be false, to ensure that the DB name is predictable. Next, we have the Spring data source name Taco Clouds, and this is just going to set in memory DB name. So for example, here we have like Taco Cloud for H2 database. Next, we have the Taco Cloud, the Taco order page size equal to 10. This is a custom application property used by the order controller to control the pagination size. Next we have our discount codes. So the discount code properties, these bind directly to discount code props via the configuration properties prefix equal to taco discount. So each taco.discount codes entry becomes the key, which is a discount code, which is a string. The value, discount percentage, which is an integer. So here we have an example, and here we have our codes. So I believe I've covered everything, and that is it for chapter 6. Thank you for watching.